Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today we are going to learn how to create trigonometric table. Trigonometric table means learning the values of each trigonometric ratio at different angles. There are few standard angles which we are going to study. Standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. So we will learn very easily and you will be able to remember all the values. Let us start doing it. There are total 6 trigonometric ratios, right? So I'm going to write their names first of all. First trigonometric ratio like sine, then cos. At third position I'm writing tangent. Then it is cosecant, secant, and last is cotangent. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios we have. A is I have taken as an angle. Let me write angles here. Value of A is like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the 5 angles which we will study. And let me tell you, there are different ways of learning it, different techniques, different tricks. But I would prefer without any trick. If you will learn, it will be very easy for you. For example, I'm coming with the first column, just the first column, and its first value is 0 and last value is 1. There are total 5 angles for sine. Its first value is 0, last value is 1. So 0 and 1 is not difficult to remember, right? Remaining are only 3 which you need to learn. Out of those 3 also, the second one is very easy because it is just a midpoint of 0, 1. Like 0, 1 and half of it. 0, half and 1. 3 values are learnt. So just to learn 2 values, you will be able to write full table. And those 2 values are also very easy. Like once you have learned 1 over 2, the next one is 1 over root 2. That means just placing square root on 2. And 60, which is different than others, I am writing root 3 over 2. You please check these 5 values again. And how we call it? Sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. This is the way we teach, right? And once you have done the first column, next are going to be very easy. Why? Just write reverse in cos. Bottom value is 1, its upper value will be 1. Just reverse, as I said. Root 3 over 2, write root 3 over 2. Then 1 over root 2, just follow the same sequence. Then 1 over 2, then 0. See, once I had learned the first column, second column it was very easy for me to write. And believe me, once you are completed the table, these all values will go on your mind and you will be able to give answer orally as well. All the times you need not to make this table. This is for learning only. Now like third column is tangent. I know that tangent is given by this formula, sine A over cos A. When sine is divided by cos, we get tangent. The same formula can be used to get the value of tangent. I'm going to show you how. Let me clean it once. Just one moment. Yes. Now coming to the tangent column, I know that I need to divide sine and cos. That means 0 divided by 1. If you start dividing like this, 0 divided by 1, what will you get? You will get 0. That means first value, tangent 0 is 0. Second, see this 2 and 2 in the denominator, ignore them. They will be cancelled while dividing. So it is easy to write 1 and root 3 only. So second value final answer is 1 over root 3. Take numerator of sine, take numerator of cos. Just divide them. 1 over root 3. Check the next value. Square root of 2, square root of 2, both are same. 1 divided by 1 will be 1 only. So tangent 45 is 1. Tangent 60. Root 3 is numerator, 1 will be denominator. When you divide them, we will get root 3 only. And at the end, see, it is 1 over 0. If you check carefully, this is 1 over 0, which we say not defined. I am writing ND for not defined. Please check the table very carefully. What we did, firstly we wrote sine column, then cos column. Division of them gives me third column. Writing next three columns is even easier than that. Why? You know, sine, like the first value sine and this one cosecant, they are reciprocal of each other. If sine is 1 over 2, then cosecant will be 2 upon 1, reverse of that. That's it we need to do. Like sine 0 is 0. Now, what is reverse of 0? Reverse of 0 is not defined, because 0 can be written as then 1 over 0. I know that 1 over 0 is not defined, so same is coming there. 1 over 2, its reciprocal is 2. 1 over root 2, its reciprocal is root 2 again. Root 3 upon 2, its reciprocal is 2 upon root 3. At the last, 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. This is what we are going to get the answers. Then it's the turn for secant A. See, cos A, this one, and secant A, this one, they are reciprocal of each other. No need to do anything else, just keep cos in mind and write the reverse. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only, so it will remain 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 over root 3. 1 over root 2, reciprocal is root 2. 1 over 2, the reciprocal will be only 2. And 0, reverse of 0 is not defined again. So this is not defined. Do keep it in mind, it is not difficult, it's very easy. The last column is left cotangent A, which is the reciprocal of tangent. 0. If this is 0, that means this is not defined. 1 over root 3, its reciprocal is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 over root 3. And then last one was not defined. Reciprocal of not defined is 0. Do keep it in mind, because reverse of 1 over 0 is 0 upon 1. That is how this table can be learned. You can take the screenshot of this table, and once you are habitual of writing it, then it is not required. We will keep it in our mind and we will do some calculations. For example, somebody asks you what's the value of cos 60. Now, if you are comfortable with the table, cos is the second column, 60 comes at second last position. Cos 60 has exactly same value, which is of sine 30. Now do remember it. Second position of sine means second last position of cos. Second position of sine 30 was 1 by 2. That means cos 60 is 1 by 2. Little bit of dodging practice is required. Let's suppose cosecant 60 degree somebody asked. I will not learn cosecant 60. I will just learn sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 is just reciprocal of that. It will be 2 upon root 3, right? So this is the way one should remember. Firstly, make the table 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Then make some practice, have some practice of learning them first column. Based on that, give some answers. Definitely you will learn it, and this is at most required in most of the competitive questions where direct angle values one should remember. Once you learn the angle values, then it is easy to attempt the questions, right? Thank you so much.